Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see deleted messages from WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. After you are in the WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now in my WhatsApp account, I will send a message from another account. For this, I'm using my mom's account. So I'll just send a random text over here. So I've received the message. Now I will delete that message from the other phone. I will select delete for everyone from that. Now the message is deleted. Now if I go to WhatsApp again, and if I open the chat with my mom, here you can see the message is now deleted. So now, in order to see these deleted messages, head over to your settings first. In your settings, here you can see the notification section. Tap on it. Now select advanced settings from here. Here you can find this notification history option, tap on it. And over here at the top, you can see the deleted messages by the other chat. So this was the message sent by the other account. If you tap on it, it'll take you to the chat, but then the message is deleted. So that's how you can see deleted messages from WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.